What if I told you Nintendo's brand new Switch 2, yes, the one that never goes on sale, can be yours for just $400? No glitches, no hacks, just a brilliant workaround hiding in plain sight and saving you a clean $100. Nintendo isn't exactly known for slashing prices, especially not on brand new consoles. But thanks to a limited-time Sam's Club promo on eShop gift cards, buyers are effectively knocking the Switch 2 Mario Kart World Bundle from $499 to $399. And no, this isn't a pricing error. It's a stacking method that deal hunters have already confirmed is working. Here's how it plays out. Step 1. Head to Sam's Club and grab 5 multi-packs of Nintendo eShop gift cards. Each pack contains 5 $20 cards, $100 in total, but sells for $79.98. That's more than 20% off right out of the gate. Buy 5 packs, and you've spent roughly $399.90 for $500 worth of Nintendo credit. Step 2. Wait for the digital codes. Sam's Club may take up to 48 hours to email them, so don't panic if they don't arrive immediately. Step 3. Redeem the 25 codes, yes, all 25, on your Nintendo account. It's tedious, but each $20 code pushes you closer to that discount. Step 4. Use your new $500 balance to buy the Switch 2 Mario Kart World Bundle directly from Nintendo. Total price paid? About $400 plus tax. While Sony and Microsoft have raised prices on the PS5 and Xbox Series X, Nintendo has held steady. But the original Switch? It quietly climbed to $339.99. So getting the next-gen Switch 2 with a big new Mario Kart title for $400? That's massive. The Switch 2 doesn't just look newer, it plays newer. It supports your entire old Switch library, welcomes more third-party AAA games, and showcases Nintendo's latest hits like Mario Kart World and Donkey Kong Bonanza. It also packs a 7.9-inch display, native 1080p resolution, and docked gameplay up to 4K at 120 Hz. Some fans miss an OLED screen, but overall the upgrade is substantial, and the sales numbers prove it. The handheld gaming scene is packed with competitors, from ROG alternatives to cloud handhelds. But let's be real, at a $400 effective price, the Switch 2 is practically irresistible for Nintendo fans. This is one of the rare moments where patience, timing, and a little creativity beat the system. If you've been waiting for the perfect moment to upgrade, this might be it.